Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Chris Aqua, and on my channel I give and drop updates about ways which you can use to make money online legitimately. So if you are new to this channel, this is the channel to follow. On my channel I have lots of videos on how you can make money online, ranging from crypto airdrops, video surveys, answering of questions, and what have you. Then I also drop videos of HYP investments that pay. So if you are looking to make money online legitimately, then this is the channel to follow. Just ensure that you drop a subscribe. Just click on subscribe button. You will see it just right below the video you are watching right now. Just click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online in Nigeria, and I'll be introducing to you a platform where you can make over 100,000 naira in a month. You can make almost 100,000 naira in a month if you put the work. If you put in the work, you're going to make a lot of money from this. But before I go straight to the platform, I need to sound a note of warning to everyone. This is an investment platform, so you'll be investing a token and you'll be performing some daily activities for you to earn. But now I cannot guarantee that tomorrow will come and this platform will keep on paying, but due to the reputation of the platform in the past, it has been paying, and currently it is still paying. But most of these platforms, tomorrow may come and they stop paying. So I would just advise that whatever you invest an amount, or you invest a fund that you can afford to lose. You invest the money that you can afford to lose. So the name of this platform is called PayPremial. I repeat, PayPremial. And PayPremial is a Nigerian earning website. According to them, they are assigned to liberate participants from ad breaks caused by some affiliate websites that crash and stuff like that. We all know that most of these websites, they deliver these same promises, and after some time they pack up, they stop paying. But nonetheless, I will still introduce you to those that have been paying and those that are still paying. But don't forget that I said tomorrow may come and they may stop paying. But this is an educational video, so I'll just take you down the road of earning on this platform. So like I said, the name of this platform is called PayPremial, and I'm going to go directly to this platform. So on PayPremial, you earn in some simple ways. First, you earn by logging in daily. You also earn by sharing or by downloading sponsored posts. Then you can also earn through referrals. However, unlike others that will tell you that you don't need referrals to withdraw, but later change their policy, PayPremial is not like that. Without referral, you can withdraw, just that there are terms and conditions, and I will highlight these terms and conditions for you. So this is the website interface. So you can see this is the website interface. So for you to join this particular website, this particular program, you need 1,500 naira. I repeat, you need and 500 naira to become a member of this platform. So all you need to do is log in every day, download sponsored post every day. If you like, you refer, and whenever you sign up for this, you receive an instant welcome bonus of 500 naira. I repeat, you receive an instant welcome bonus of 500 naira. So in your first day, you're going to be making 700 naira back out of your 1,500 naira. So going straight, like I said, the task you are going to do is to log in daily, download sponsored posts. If you like, you refer. So how do this platform pay? Like, how do they withdraw? Withdrawal is done twice in a week for referral payments, and it is done once in a month for those without referral earning. What do I mean? If you've referred if you referred a person on PayPremial, they are going to pay you 1,000 naira. Yes, they are going to pay you 1,000 naira per referral, and if you've made some money from the daily activities, then you also are eligible to be paid when your daily activities earning gets to 2,000. When your daily activity earnings gets to 2,000. So if you have 1,000 naira on your referral earning and 2,000 naira on your daily activity earning, that sums up to 3,000 naira. You can withdraw either on Monday or Thursday of that particular week which you've accumulated that. Now for the general activities earning where you don't have money, like where you don't have referrals, like I said, referring people is not compulsory. So the policy here is that you must have at least 8,000 naira on your activity earning before you can withdraw. Now there's also these terms and conditions. Like I said, when you place withdrawal, whenever you get to 8,000 naira, they are going to pay you 50% of your withdrawal. So if you get to like 10,000 naira and you withdraw, they are going to pay you 5,000 naira, while the remaining 5,000 is returned back to your dashboard. It still reflects in your dashboard. And for the general activity earnings, the withdrawal is done once in a month, and that is done on the 15th of every month. I repeat, the 15th of every month. So that is that about withdrawal on this platform called PayPremial. So for you to sign up, you'll be needing a coupon code. So in the description below, if you are ready to sign up, if you are willing to sign up, in the description below, I dropped my affiliate link. So if you sign up through my link, I'm going to be getting 1,000 naira as commission. And 2, I dropped the link to a verified coupon code seller, a tested and trusted coupon code seller, just in the link, in the description below. If you are ready to join, just get down there, get your coupon code, then register. So I'll just take you through how to register. So once you click on that link, it will take you to a registration page. So this is the registration page. Once you click on that link, that is my affiliate link, and on this registration page, this is where you get to register. You put your first name, last name, username, password, a valid email address, your phone number, and the coupon code you bought from the coupon code vendor I recommended. So after that, you see referral, you see Aquatech. This validates that I am the one referring you, and like I said, I'm always repeating this. I'll be getting 1,000 naira as a referral bonus. Then once you do that, you click on accept and sign up. So you click on accept and sign up. So once you click on accept and sign up, it will take you to your dashboard, and in your dashboard you will see 500 naira welcome bonus. Then you log out and log in again, then you will see another 100 naira. And once you go to download sponsored post for that day, you see another 100 naira. That's like 700 naira on the first day. Then on each respective days, like the following days, you'll be getting 200 naira, provided that you log out and log in, and you download sponsored posts. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm just going to log into an account, the account I just created, not my account, the account I just created. So I'm just going to log in there now so I can show you how it is done. So here I am in the account that was just created. So this account was created yesterday. As you can see, the available earning is 600 naira. That was because yesterday's activity has been carried out. That was because yesterday's activity has been carried out. So all you need to do each day is to log out. So once you log out, you confirm logging out, then you go back and log in again. So that's what you do every day. So you go back and log in. So once you log in, you put your email address and password, then you click on login. So once you do that, that's how you get 100 naira for that. So for you to get money from the other 100 naira from sponsored post, you download sponsored post, you click on this hamburger sign at the top right corner here, the hamburger sign there, you click on it. So once you click on it, you see download. Just click on download. So once you click on download, you see this. So once you click on this, just click on the picture to download. As you can see, it is downloading files. It has downloaded. You can decide to upvote it, you can decide to like it. Most times I just download. So once I just click on download, that's all. I will go back to the page. Then you refresh. So once you refresh, you see it under your available earnings. So once you refer people, you see it under your total referral earnings. Once you refer people, you see it under your total referral earnings. Total referrals. Total referrals. Then you see the number of people you referred, you see the number of earnings you get on that total referral. Then you see your total earnings paid so far. That's when you've applied for withdrawals and stuff like that. Then if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw here. But currently withdrawal is closed, like I told you. For withdrawal without referrals, it is done on the 15th of every month, and for withdrawal with referrals, you can do that on Mondays and Thursdays alone. So that is how it works. Please ensure that you read the terms and conditions carefully before you sign up. If you find any part of these websites uncomfortable for you, or any part of this website brings you discomfort, please just ensure that you terminate your membership immediately. So for you to get your referral link, you can see it just right below here. You can see it right below this place. So that's your sign up ID. So you click on it and copy it. So once you click on it and copy it, you can copy link text or copy link address. So you can just share it to your friend on WhatsApp, let them know, and ensure that you let them know the risk they take in becoming a member of this website called PayPremial. So if this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up, then drop comments. And if you don't like this video, you can give it a thumbs down, then give me reasons or how I can improve on my videos. So thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video tutorial. If this video has served value, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By turning on the notification bell, it means you are going to get updated whenever I drop videos like this. You're going to be updated first by YouTube. So thank you very much, guys, and happy earning.